Actor Playbook Studio, and welcome to focus number 4. For this focus, you are going to be choosing a monologue from the new monologue database section in the monologue selection on your dashboard. I want you to choose a monologue that you are not familiar with. So look through, scroll through, hopefully you'll find one. If you don't find one that you aren't familiar with, email me and I can send you a few other options. But I want you to take a look at it, prepare it, create your own take of this character from this moment that you are seeing in their life. If you haven't done so already, I want you to go watch chapter 4 in the role prep course, which talks about authoring the character, backstory. And I want you to author the character as you are prepping your monologue. You can use Uta Hagen's 9 questions as a guide, print them out or write them down, and I want you to fill in your character work for those 9 questions that Uta has and see how that affects your prep for your monologue, to see if you feel more emotionally connected to it, if it feels more real for you. Again, there are so many techniques as an actor. Your goal is to find one that works for you. And when you finish your tape, send it along. I'd also, if you feel comfortable, if you would take a photo or scan your notes of your 9 questions, your work, and send it along with your tape, because after I watch your tape, I would love to take a look at that and see. It's thrilling, exciting for me to see how actors get to where they are in their performance. So if I could see your notes and see those woven in to your tape, I would love to look at that. So again, your focus 4, monologue from the monologue database, new, check it out. Go watch chapter 4 in 5-step role prep, prepare your monologue, use Uta Hagen's 9 questions, send me your tape, send me your 9 questions. I look forward to seeing your work. I hope you are all having an excellent, fabulous week. Break a leg, everybody.